Very good morning, everyone. Uh, Today, I am going to talk about an important topic in operating systems in the system component. The system component in the operating system is the heart of the computer systems, and it is made up of several important system components that work together to manage hardware, software, and user efficiently. These system component control how programs run, how resources are shared, and how user interact with the systems. Without proper system components, a computer system would be unstable, insecure, and inefficient. The next slide is the important component of the operating systems. It lies in their ability to ensure the smooth functioning of the entire systems. They help in optimal use of CPU and memory, storage, and devices. System components also provide security, reliability, and performance. By coordinating all the system activities, the operating system makes the computer easy to use and efficient for both users and applications. One of the most important system component is the process management. Uh, a process is a program that is currently in executions. The operating system is responsible for creating process, scheduling time, and terminating them when they are completed. The process management allows multitasking where multiple applications runs at the same time. The operating system decides which process gets CPU time and how long, ensuring fairness and efficiency. That helps improve systems performance, responsiveness. The another key component is the file management. The file management handles the creation of a deletion, reading, writing of the files. It organizes the data into the file under directories and manage files permissions to control the access. The operating system ensures that data is stored securely and can be retrieved efficiently. The management also helps prevent data loss and supports the different file systems such as the NTF and Extra4. The command interpreter is the file management, is the another important system components. It acts as the interface between the user and operating systems. The command interpreter receives command from the user and translates from into the actions that the operating systems can perform. It can be in the form of command line interface such as the shell in a Linux or a graphical user interface in modern operating systems. It plays a crucial role in user interactions with the systems. The next important system component is the system calls. System calls from the bridge between user programs and the operating system kernels. The user programs cannot directly access the hardware system resources, so they use the system calls to request the services from the operating systems. Examples, it include the reading file, creating the process, or allocating the memory. The system call ensures the secure and controlled access to the system resources by switching execution from user mode to kernel mode. The next important system component is the signal. The signal is the transmitting or communicating for sender and receiver purposes. It is the mechanisms in the important mechanism in the operating systems. The signals are used for communicating between the process and the operating systems. They are used to notify the process that a specific event has occurred, such as the process terminations, interruptions, or errors. Signals help in handling asynchronous events, allow process to respond appropriately to the system level of challenges. So the finally the network management is an essential system components in modern operating systems. Network management enables the communication between the computers over a network. The operating system handles the tasks such as the data transmissions, error detections, and connection managements. It ensures the reliable and secure communication using the network protocols. So the network management is the especially important in distributed systems, cloud computing, and cloud computing, internet based applications, and so on. So to the conclude, the system components the foundations of the operating systems. Each component has a specific roles, and together they ensure efficient resource management, smooth executions of programs, secure operations, effective communications. Understanding these components is essential for anyone for studying or working with the operating systems. Thank you.